awesome. My baby balloon when I was born. Baby Smurf, 1983. So I never thought I'd ever get to this point. Come on, Tanya, you were playing right here. You don't care about the cookie cutter toys I made up? So you can leave me alone for maybe 2 seconds while I make a video? And there we go. So when their baby's laughing and running, that's a problem. So 1,100 videos on this channel, and I'm just gonna keep on going. It's been a long journey to this point. What drew me to making videos was that I can reach the whole world, especially for my love of gardening, with just my cell phone. And that boggled my mind. So there's some key points that pushed me along, and it's pushed me along all my life, and that is note-taking. I take notes, not just in school, when I was in school. I've always taken notes, preferably on Moleskine notebooks. And right when she walked away from the silverware, she opened up a notebook. And that's one of the things that kept me going, is just writing in my notebooks. But this is Mommy's notebook. This is Mommy's notebook. Nai, host. Kotsa siga. Aba. All right. Notes on gardening, journaling, when I was in the military, ideas, creative ideas, to-do lists, budgeting, etc. I'm always writing. Good girl. Good girl. Oh.
There is a life I lead in this city.